Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Node with React. First, ensure you have Node.js and npm installed on your system. Next, create a new directory for your project. Inside, initialize a Node.js project for your backend and a React application for your frontend. This foundational setup is crucial for building robust full-stack applications. We'll then dive into the specifics of making them communicate effectively. Let's set up our Node.js backend. Begin by initializing a new Node project and installing Express.js, a popular framework for building web applications. You'll then define your API endpoints, such as /API/data, to serve information. Crucially, configure cross-origin resource sharing, or CORS, to permit your React application running on a different port to access these backend resources securely. This ensures smooth data exchange. Now for the React frontend. Start by creating a new React application. You'll build user interface components that will display the data received from your Node.js backend. To fetch this data, use the built-in Fetch API or a library like Axios. Remember to manage your application state effectively, ensuring that your UI updates dynamically as new data arrives or changes occur. This creates a responsive user experience. Finally, let's connect them. First, ensure both your Node.js server and React development server are running concurrently, typically on different ports like 3001. From your React application, make HTTP requests to your Node.js API endpoints. For example, a GET request to http://localhost 3001/API/data. Handle the responses and any potential errors within your React components to provide a seamless user experience. This completes the full-stack connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.